Here are two problems involving some right triangle trigonometry. Let's say we work on the first one here. We got to find side BC, which is labeled X. I see that I'm given angle 35 degrees, and I'm given the hypotenuse of 10. And so I see that X is opposite of the 35-degree angle, and I'm given a hypotenuse. So I'm using SOH. So that tells me I'm going to use sine. So sine of 35 is equal to the opposite side, which is x, divided by 10. Now, to get x by itself, we multiply both sides by 10. And so we get 10 times sine of 35 is equal to x. Use your calculator, type that in just like it is, and you should get 5.74. For this other problem, let's say that we want to find the measure of angle B. So we see that we have sides of 8 and 12. 12 is opposite of angle B, and 8 is adjacent. So I'm going to set up a tangent ratio to solve for the measure of angle B. So what that looks like is tangent of B is equal to the opposite side, which is 12, over the adjacent side. Okay, from here I got to use, to find the missing angle measure, I got to use inverse tangent. So what that looks like is this. Inverse tangent of 12 over 8. You type that in your calculator, and you should get a measure of 56.3.